Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Friday, March 21st, 2025. Before I forget, I want to mention that wickedstocks.com put out two stock picks this week, one in Adobe, the other in Stone Company. Stone is an internet infrastructure company, a mid-cap company. Both stocks are right at the edge of providing signals that could play out in the weeks and months ahead and allow a 20% return at least on each individual stock. That's always our rule with our stock picks. You can see those for free by going to wickedstocks.com and taking advantage of our 5-day free trial, where you'll also see our daily Triple Q and daily SPY analysis, our weekly Apple stock, weekly S&P 500, and weekly NASDAQ 100. You could see our recent stock picks over the last few weeks that are still relevant. Next week's stock picks by going to wickedstocks.com and take advantage of that 5-day free trial. All right. This is a weekly chart for NVIDIA, goes back some 4 years or so, 3-4 years. We had the 108.33 8-month channel bottom as an objective about a month and a half ago after coming off the equivalent of the 136.65 descending channel top. We've tested 108.33, and now over the next 3 to 5 weeks, we are anticipating a return to 136.65 and dropping weekly. This is a narrowing wedge, 108.33 rising weekly. We could trade inside of this area through the entire month of April. 108.33 is the stronger of the two, and if settled above, should then yield upward continuation to, well, ultimately 176.90 over the following 2 to 3, 3 to 5 months. If we were to close above 136.85 in the coming weeks. On the other hand, if we were to close today, the week itself, below 108.33, we've got 108.32 actually, because that is the actual same exact formation. But on the daily chart, if we were to close below this, which is not going to happen today, but if we did, then we would anticipate bearish continuation over the next several months to the 77.44 2-year channel bottom, where NVIDIA could actually place an annual low and come off of here through the rest of the year. I don't expect 77.44 unless we close below 108.32 today, which is not going to happen. So let's take a look at the day itself. And we do have this descending channel top, this extreme channel top. Now, we pushed through it yesterday. It's held nicely for this week until Thursday. We pushed through it, we backed away, we closed below the structure, but the structure is dropping daily. And so we could quite easily open above 118.21 today. And if so, it is day support that can contain intraday selling, you can see here, and above which 123.24 is likely today if we open above 118.21. 123.24 is a 3/8 upside Fibonacci that can contain daily buying pressures. We came very close to testing it on Monday and have backed away since. If we were to close above 123.24 within several days, 128.95 within a couple of weeks, our targeted 136.65 formation. So keep in mind, 136.65 remains a 3 to 5 week objective above 108.32. And if we close today above 123.24 within a couple of weeks, 1 to 2 weeks, we should see 136.65. So if you're not long yet, if you did not bottom pick the market at 108.32, I think your next opportunity for upward continuation through next week would be a settlement today above 123.24. Now, downside today, if we open below 118.21, we can ease back to 112.23 today. Nothing more than the high of the low that was put out over a week ago. We could bottom out here intraday, possibly for the day itself. If we open below 118.21, we just might trade inside this 118.21 down to 112.23 area. If we close today below 112.23, we retest Monday, Tuesday, the 108.32 channel bottom. 108.33 on the weekly chart, able to contain selling through April, even through the second quarter. And now that we've tested it, we can quite easily round up into the 160s and 170s over the next 3 to 5 months, which becomes clarified following a weekly settlement above the 136.85 channel top. Now, if over the coming week, 2 or 3, we were to close, as I say, below 108.33, 77.44 likely within several months, but we're nowhere near that right now. We've come off of 108.33, 136.65, a 3 to 5 week objective, and as I said a moment ago, closing today above 123.24, we should see that inside of 1 to 2 weeks. Is there anything else to say beyond what I already have? I don't think so. I'm going to leave it at that. I'll be back, of course, Sunday afternoon with Monday's NVIDIA report, and you have a great weekend.